When I was a sophomore in high school, I wanted a cabin, and so I came back here and started building it, and it took me 3 years. And then my grandfather and my father came back and helped me pour the cement floor. One of these walls is a little bit crooked, but I guess it gives it character. The sense of pride of doing something on your own, peeling the logs by hand and dragging them down here, setting them up. And I thought I was going to be a mountain man when I was 16. I was born 100 years too late, I guess. We're on the Comas Angus Ranch in Lewistown, Montana. My grandfather bought the ranch in 1948, and my father bought it in the 70s, and now I'm starting to take over buying it. So it's third generation. My kids are to be the fourth. They want to be raised here and raise their kids here. So let's go look at the grass, kids. What we're getting is we're getting a lot more native grasses. We've got about 6 different species of native grasses just on this little ridge.
So how's the native grasses getting over here?
Because we don't overgraze it, then they can compete with the other grasses.
There's a...
Oh, that's sage.
Yes.
Your mom loves that. There's a strawberry.
Really?
There's it. Look at that strawberry.
Oh!
Wild strawberry. Oh, being able to teach the kids about love of the land. I got a daughter that loves animals and loves the environment. And if I can show her that managing the trees, managing the grass, managing the water, and I can use less of those resources to produce more, it just doesn't get any better than that. If we can help supply food, that just benefits the world. I came back to the ranch in 1991, and I tried to get up to date with what was going on in the cattle industry. And one of the talks that somebody gave me that stuck in my mind was, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And that really stuck with me. If you don't have a baseline or there's no way of measuring, how can I manage it? There was a feeder that had bought our calves for quite a few years, and after about 12 years of him buying our calves, I'm saying, what can I do to help you? He said, I'm a feeder, and I make money feeding cattle. So if you can make cattle that will convert better, it'll make me more money. And so I came across Midland Bull Test. They were talking the story that I was looking for. They were performance testing the bulls. They had put in a GrowSafe system, and they were measuring the amount of intake by what the outtake was, and that just made sense to me. I sure see a difference in those cattle. If I can utilize the resources that I have here on the ranch, that just helps us compete in the marketplace today by raising more efficient cattle. It just gives me great joy and honor to produce a product that is healthy and safe and nutritious, and make a decent living and be able to raise my kids here. Most everybody I know is environmentally sensitive. They want to know that you're taking care of the animals, the land, and produce things more efficiently on less water, less feed, and they sure would be more willing to pay for your beef or your grain if they knew that. Oh, the thing I love most about ranching is it's so rewarding. I mean, it's tough and it's hard. It's not all about money. It's about passing it on to the next generation in a better state than when I got it.